RoohyKhan, the art exhibition in Cultural Art Ministry in Dammam, Saudi. RoohyKhan, founder of Mamhab Art Gallery. She is an artist, Arabic calligrapher, and a curator based in Saudi Arabia. Basically from city Bhopal, India. Member of Saudi Arabian Society for Culture and Arts. Member of Women's Skills, Roohy. She has participated in 44 art exhibitions, to date including both solo and group, in various countries including India, UAE, Saudi Arabia, Qatar, Pakistan, first international Arabic calligrapher and calligraphy, blogger from Bhopal, India, 12 years of experience in the field of Arabic calligraphy. She has curated or organized 9 international art exhibitions in Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. Roohy got national award in all India calligraphy competition of exhibition in part of academics. RoohyKhan has done Master in Fine Arts and Master in Biotechnology and 2 years diploma in calligraphy and graphic design from NCTUL. To further excel her artistic skills, she later done diploma in Arabic calligraphy and graphic design from Aligarh Muslim University, India. Some of her artworks are part of government museum in India. Roohy artwork have been recognized by many dignitaries. Major of Riyadh, His Highest Prince Faisal bin Abdulaziz bin Nasab, H.E. Dr. Asaf Sayed Ambassador of India to Saudi Arabia, Safif Ugsaman from Medina City, KSA, Khalil Al-Wahid from Dubai, Yusuf Al-Hurbi, Director, Saska KSA, ex-director of KA Diksami Centric, AMU, Professor Abtadaba Ahmed Sami, ex-VC of AMUL, Lieutenant General Zamiruddin, ex-IT Minister of India Kapil Sibal. Roohy's paintings found home in various countries, including India, UAE, UK, Spain, Serbia, England.